divide 696 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 2. So this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 9 and it is 29. 4 times 7 is 28. On subtracting, we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 6 and it is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. On subtracting, we get Z. So 696 divided by 4 is 174. So this much for today and thanks for watching.